G'day! Today I'm going to show you how to take big zucchinis like the ones you can see here and turn them into two different recipes that I think you're going to love. Now, I'm not a huge zucchini fan. Look at the size of this. Now, I'm not a huge zucchini fan generally, but I've been able to come up with two different recipes that I've found on the interwebs that taste delicious. And Betty likes using them the next day in her sandwiches and stuff like that too. So we'll show you the two different methods that I use to cook these, and maybe you might like them too. Mostly I grow zucchinis just because they're fun to grow. Here we've got the green ones and we've got the yellow ones in the bed as well. And yeah, mostly I just like growing them because they're really fun. But now that I've found a couple of different ways that I like to actually eat them, things have improved tenfold. So I'll take you inside and show you how it's done.